You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, leather upholstery, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, high-intensity discharge headlights, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.